I've just finished work and I'm heading home, and I'm going flying. Woo! The only thing is the sun is dropping fast, so I haven't got a great deal of time, so I've got to move it. Come on, Gonna make the most of the weather, and I'm off to Miskin Manor Resort. 5-star resort, you know, in Wales. And it's the health suite. Technically, I'm going to the gym. I'm gonna work on my quads and my 6-pack of batteries. No clues here. I can see Rama Roads. I can see Steph.
It's got to be a woolly sheep review sort of video, this.
Yeah, it must be a reviews video.
So what's this new frame then? Ooh. Ooh, look at this.
I'll fly out here with my wizard or...
What's it going to be called?
I have no idea. Carbon quad.
Carbon quad X frame.
Yeah, something like that. No idea.
Is it the same? Is it the same as that one?
2.5 inch cross.
I've thinned the arms down a bit on this one, they're a bit thinner.
I'll probably never find it.
One of the lads on Sunday had
Bomb-proof arms. How did it fly? It's good.
It really flies nice. Impressed with it so far.
Good. Walk of shame. And there's Walter giving demonstrations. So tell me about these frame. These
the blades.
The
If
blades.
you want to buy this, have a lot. I give you free.
What blades are they?
Oh, I don't know, man. It's a present from Cliff.
A present from
Cliff.
White Cliff.
White Cliff. You can have this back. Scrap.
And these are plastic rubbish.
Yeah.
Yeah, as soon as you
Snap
touch
straight
them, all
away.
the blades are
A
off
small
completely.
touch. Snap straight away.
So
scrap.
if you're fancying these blades, don't bother,
No.
because it's official. What's the quality?
Junk.
Crap.
Crap. So that's official. The blades are crap. It might look good, but they're crap. That's cool flying, that is. Relaxed. Fagging his chops. Have a little smoke while I fly. Cheers, man. It's actually getting quite dark now. I think it's time to retire. Coffee and a cake. It's a bit dark now, time to go in. Simple.
This is why it's called 5-star flying tonight, because not only can we go out flying, we can have a beer when we need to chill and relax.
5-star. It's hard work in the gym. It's hard work. Yeah. I've worked on my 6-pack and my quads. seen last of the summer wine. Time to go home.
We've had with coffee, we've had with flying, it's time to go.
Bring me sunshine in your smile.
Oh well, time to go home. Yeah, that's Miskin Manor Health Suite, where we quite often come flying. I did say I'd try and get some flying videos in. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you soon. Bye.